What up, YouTube? I did another upgrade into the Ram. Here's what she looks like. You can't really see what I did to it. It's in the trans. This is a 2012 Ram 1500 with the 5.7. I'll show you what I did to it. What I bought a 65 RFE valve body DOY upgrade. I went with the billet channel plate. It's a pretty good upgrade. A lot of people say these trucks are trash because the transmissions are garbage when you add horsepower to it. So they say the valve body is the weakest link. So that's what I did. I did the upgrade to the valve body. It shits much better. It's getting gear, man. Like it fucking boom boom boom. Unlike when it was like and then it delays, but this one like so it's a good upgrade. I couldn't give you a step-by-step because I had a Snapchat chat saying we need you at the bowling league, blah 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 blah. They rushed me to do it. I didn't do a good video, but I'm gonna show you what I did, and then see how. Drain out my trans fluid. I got these two codes. One's for low line pressure is low, and value of 4C, that's pretty much is the valve body. I'm going to take out the whole valve body and upgrade it. Alright, start taking the valve body. I took the filter out. It's a T25 Torx, whatever. These little 8mm right here. There's a few of them, plenty of look for. Body out. I'm going to show you what I got. Got the billet. Got some billet. 2 millimeters.
Yeah, so you just gotta swap everything over here?
Yeah, that's what I'll be doing. Be swapping all this shit out.
That's pretty.
Like your mom. So. Making sure that the big difference. There's a big difference right there. Alright, start taking off the valve body apart. So you just don't want to make sure you don't lose these little balls, the little check balls. And here's the factory versus the new one that they give you. Trying to find videos how you do it, but hopefully I can do it right. Here's the billet upgraded one versus the factory one. Supposedly they said
I do think that's spring.
Alright, so here's the other side of it. You guys will see it. And here's the factory one. Nasty cast iron versus billet. So we're gonna put this on. Got the valve body put in. There's this thing right here. They give you an upgrade one. This is those factory ones, a plastic one. This came off. I forgot to record. Let me see if I can grab a magnet. I don't have the magnet right now, but this one comes out. Let me see if I can shake it off. Whatever. So it's just basically a metal version of this plastic thing. Now I need to put this back on. I gotta retake this apart. You gotta take this plastic thing right here. It goes over here. Pull it out, and then grabs a pick, and then you pull these out from here. Trying to find a video, but I couldn't find no video and instructions. I'm assuming these are it. They're about a tad taller, but same size. Just put it in here. If you want, you grab some grease. Just put it in here. Grab the next one. Hopefully these are it, because there's no really instructions how you do it on these 65 RFE, maybe the 66 and the 68.